There's a molecule that transports energy around living organisms, and its name is ATP. Okay, ATP is the molecule. This is what it looks like. This name comes from an adenine. That's this orange, like hexagon and pentagon group. And then TP is triphosphate. So here's 1, 2, 3 phosphate groups. So tri means 3, and there's 3 of them, so triphosphate. And it's connected to this sugar called ribose. It's really highly energetic. It's very, very, very unstable, which means high energy. And that's because these phosphate groups all have negative charges. And if you put a negative end of a magnet next to another negative end, they push away, right? They repel. So if you have negative phosphates all near each other, they're pushing each other away, which makes it very unstable. This instability means there's lots of energy stored in these bonds, so that chemical or potential chemical energy in there. So what does this mean? This means when you break that bond and release a phosphate, you can see that down on the bottom. If you break that bond, energy is released, and then the organism can use that to do work. Then the system puts that phosphate back onto now it's called ADP, D for di, meaning 2. So it puts the phosphate back onto the ADP to make ATP again, and then that can be used in a repeated cycle. Of course, adding the phosphate onto the molecule requires energy, and that energy we get from food. That's what food does for us. It gives us molecules to build our bodies, and it gives us molecules for energy. And really, when we talk about food giving you energy, this is what we're talking about. Food giving you the ability to make ATP from ADP and phosphate.